The youngest son of the late Zimbabwean strongman Robert Mugabe is reportedly pulling out all the stops to avoid a lengthy stay in South African prison. Bellarmine Mugabe, a 32-year-old socialite whose lifestyle has been often landed him in the headlines for all the wrong reasons. He allegedly tabled a controversial plea deal that would see him walk free from serious criminal charges, provided he agrees to leave the country for good. Saibina Mashkubranyi wachinzi chatunga Mugabe bribes his way out of jail. Shocking plea deal revealed in attempted murder case as he begs to be deported. Remember, subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Timna na more in a move that has sparked intense debate within the South African legal fraternity. Bellarmine's legal team is said to be in high-stakes negotiations with the National Prosecuting Authority. The proposed settlement follows a dramatic turn of events at the Alexandra Magistrate Court, where the flamboyant Mugabe Session and his co-accused Tobias Matonodze have been languishing in custody since their arrest earlier this year, according to two highly placed sources who spoke to City Press. The offer to plead guilty was not Bellarmine's first choice. Initially, he had every intention of fighting for his freedom through a standard bail application. However, the tide turned when investigating officers made it clear that they would vigorously oppose his release. The reason: Bellarmine is allegedly in South Africa illegally. One source close to the negotiations revealed the moment the strategy shifted. He intended to apply for bail, but when the investigating officer told the lawyers that they would oppose his release based on him being in the country illegally, he offered to plead guilty and be deported. The admission of legal status seems to be a linchpin on the Mugabe's family current legal strategy. By pleading guilty to immigration charges and accepting immediate deportation back to Zimbabwe, Bellarmine hopes to sidestep a full-blown trial for the more severe charge of attempted murder. The negotiations are reportedly complex, with the two distinct offers currently sitting on the prosecutor's desk. The first proposal is a straightforward pay to stay away arrangement. In the scenario, Bellarmine would financially compensate the shooting victim and receive a suspended sentence coupled with an immediate deportation order. The second, perhaps more controversial proposal would see the co-accused Tobias Matonodze take the fall for the most serious charges. Under this deal, Matonodze would plead guilty to attempted murder, the firearm charges, and defeating the ends of justice. In exchange, the Mugabe family would provide substantial financial compensation to the victim, effectively buying Bellarmine's way out of the primary criminal responsibility. To bolster their case for such a settlement, Bellarmine's lawyer have reportedly reached in the annals of South African legal history, citing the infamous case of former Blue Bulls rugby player Jacob Spies-Roberts. Thomas Kwanobla chitokwa pankwa ine bodza mafungo muri kudipa msoro pechitiko ichi. Yangu meso kishemedu, subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.